So today I'm here at the Premier Inn. Now, you may have heard me say many a times, cheaper than a night in the Premier Inn. You also may have noticed that the Premier Inn is not that cheap anymore. Comes to the price at the end. So we're going to take a look today to see, is the Premier Inn still a budget hotel? Has it got a bit of premium? Come on, let's take a look.
Yeah, perfect, thank you.
No worries.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
It's check-in, please.
Of course, can I have your surname?
Scott, trainer. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're in room number 34. That's new. It's now called the Social. Looks like a bit of a bar. There's a beef eater next door, which we've got a meal plan for. So we're trying that a little later on. So here we have it, standard Premier Inn room at Emerson Green in just outside Bristol, a place called Church, number 34. Let's show you around. So as you come in from the main entrance, nice mirror just there. Ooh, and it lights up. Hair dryer. Don't think I'll be using that. Open style wardrobe. Some spare soft pillows in the top. Nice full length mirror. Samsung TV. Menus for the restaurant next door. Bin underneath, and the kettle. Not really looking the cleanest, still probably usable. Some nice glass mugs. Again, not looking the cleanest. Got a fan. I'm guessing this doubles as a single or makes into a sofa when it's just you in the room. Then we're on to the Premier Inn bed. Now straight away, severely lacking in plug sockets. I've got two plug sockets over here. I have none near the bed, just the lamps and the light switches. A few connectors to the TV should you want to bring your own devices. A couple of shelves next to the bed, along with heating controls, but this room is not air conditioned. On through into the bathroom. Yeah, toilet's clean. Pull sheet toilet paper, plenty in it. You have a bath and a sink. Now, the bathroom does look clean. It definitely looks clean. And the towel toucher. Yeah, they're nice and soft. The bath mat. And we're also getting nice Bablis and Harding hand wash and shower gel. So just looking around now under the bed. Looks like spare covers for the single over there. Oh, that is nice. Sort of feels big, thick, deep mattress. Feels very, very comfortable. I must say, the one thing I do like about Premier Inn are the beds. You can actually buy them on the website. Sheets look clean, but there is a hair on them. Mattress protector. Mattress looks alright, clean enough. Now I would like to show you the bed test, but the thing I'm actually not seeing is an iron. 1 second. There is a little storage drawer. So I'm just going to have faith that the beds are clean. Now the theming in this room is a typical Premier Inn theme. Purple lights above the bed. Firm but cushioned headrest. Some photos on the walls. An electric heater. So there's an electric heater down there. What's the thermostat for? Which is reading 22 degrees. It's quite warm in here. So, let me know what you think. Would you stay here? Would you stay here for a night? Would you stay here for a holiday? Is it worth the money? Drop it in the comments below. So, what extras do you get with the Premier Inn? Well, I suppose the pros are the room is spacious, the bed is comfortable, and it is clean for the most part. Even for a hotel room, it's not that dinged up, and this is a pretty busy Premier Inn. We do have free Wi-Fi. I'll let you be the judge of that. Speed test coming up now. So, as you can see, probably won't be using that, and there doesn't seem to be a premium option. If you want your room cleaning, because I'm here for 2 nights, just request it at reception. I suppose that's a good thing. They do takeaway at the restaurant that you can bring back to the room. Right, so I'm going to head down to the restaurant now to meet a colleague of mine, Tom. Meet him in the bar. We've got a table booked for 6 o'clock, and I'll bring you back for dinner. So unfortunately there was no filming at dinner allowed, and that's okay. You know, I get it. Not everybody wants to be on camera, and they've got to look after all the guests, and that's fine. But what I can tell you is the food was okay. Probably 6 or 7 out of 10. 3.5 out of 5. So first of all, what have we paid for this room? So for 2 nights, for the first night we paid £112. For the second night we paid £144, and we had the meal plan, which is £27.99 per day or per night, which is breakfast in the morning, dinner tonight, breakfast tomorrow morning, dinner tomorrow night, and breakfast the following morning before we check out. Totaling £311.98. The meal plan at £27.99, so £28. Doesn't really include most of the menu. You get an upcharge on well over 2/3 of the menu for anything you want to eat. And it is only a small upcharge. The biggest charge is £7, and that's for 2 courses as well. So that's starters and mains, or mains and desserts. And if you've got the meal plan, you can have dessert for £3, and you get 1 free drink, whether that be a soft drink or lager, beer, along with the meal. So what do you think? Do you think there's any premium here to warrant the price? I mean, when you've got Butlins putting out £40 for a small 2-bedroom apartment with bathroom, one of the silver rooms, for the entire week for this week, and this is £311 just for 2 nights. Is there enough premium here to make it? Stick it in the comments below. Tell us what you think. Would you consider staying at a Premier Inn? Would you stay at the one in Skegness near the Butlins at £140 a night? Do you like the Premier Inn? Let us know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Coming up, we are spending a night in King Henry VIII's private hunting lodge. So make sure you subscribe not to miss that. And I'll catch you next time. So as always, quick room update at the end of my stay. I've been here 2 nights. First of all, there is actually a plug socket under the bed. It's well, near the bed. It's actually just there. A little hard to find. The bed's nice and comfy. The shower could be a little bit more powerful, and the toilet's a little noisy, so noise after you flushed. The food in the beef eater is pretty disappointing. For a beef eater, they can't really cook a steak. Half of the menu was out of stock, and in the bar the the young lad that was there couldn't make half the drinks because he was the only bar staff and he wasn't really trained to do so. Not his fault at all. He was doing his best and struggling, but again that led to rather slow service, and if you're asking for anything other than a pint, it's going to be a struggle. All in all though, yeah, it's a pretty nice day, beds are comfy, but is it premium to warrant the rather expensive price tag these rooms have nowadays? And I would say no. Let us know what you think, drop it in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.